All right, this is a live well full of Ballyhoo, guys. Live Ballyhoo. Pilchard, well, we got live Pilchard's Gogs and Ballyhoo. But this video, guys, is about how to catch your own Ballyhoo using a little bit of a different method. This took, oh, easy there, bro, tough guy. This took about 10 minutes to get probably 4 dozen Ballyhoo. So we're gonna show you a really cool technique with a good friend of mine, Ricky from Técnicas de Pesca y Más.
Técnica de pesca y más.
That's it. I said it the gringo way. Check him out on YouTube, guys. He's gonna show us how to get some of these bad boys with the Ballyhoo.
Way more now.
We could, yeah.
Now it's perfect.
Now it's
no
good.
Wing, no waves.
Oh, here we go, guys. Okay. Yeah. All right, Ricky is going to show us something new. New for me, anyway.
Yeah.
This is what do we call this? A Ballyhoo hoop?
Ballyhoop.
Ballyhoop. Okay. And that thing. Whoa. Oh. It's good. It just got tangled on something. All right. Oh, I see. So, assembled, drops in the water. And now it's like just shake the chum bag until they all come. So the Ballyhoo are all behind the boat.
Always do this.
Huh?
Always do this.
Oh, so you don't lose it. Them things are not cheap.
Nope.
Okay.
All right, get back.
All right. We're gonna see the magic. The
Does
magic
it work better
trick.
with current?
Way better with that.
Way better with.
No bueno with no current.
Oh. So you let it sink?
Right now, yes. That way they can come closer. Like
Okay.
doing right now. I don't want to kill them.
You guys, can you see all the Ballyhoo behind the boat? There's a massive cloud of them. So Ricky shakes the chum bag. The Ballyhoo come closer.
We have no current. We might have to
Cast
might
net?
need a little bottle of water or something to make it float.
Empty a bottle of water. Okay. We're gonna put a little bottle of water to help it float. Keep it on top because if there's no current, the Ballyhoop is just sinking. Well, it's catching your chum.
Oh, yeah.
That's recycled chum right there, guys. Ugh. All right, so now tying a bottle of water, an empty bottle of water.
Little.
Keep it afloat a little bit more. So you don't just throw it back there, right? Because it'll scare them.
Exactly. You
So
can throw them. They will come back anyway, but
They'll
you
come
don't
back.
know how to do it again. They will get scared now.
Okay. Try number 2.
It's getting time. Please no waves. At some point they will pass, the Ballyhoo will pass them.
Okay.
That's what we're looking for right now. You see, they're scared right now.
Right. They're like, what is that thing?
Still moving sideways.
Yeah, they're way back there now. All right, so now, yep, they're starting to come now. Oh yeah,
They will pass.
these guys are toast. Okay, the chum bag has been shooken. Mucho.
They will get, I'm waiting for them to get to the chum.
Yep.
Oh,
Once they're in the chum, all right. Ricky's got his sights set on the Ballyhoo. There's no current, so let's see how fast.
Oh, we got some.
Got a few? Okay. Look at that. Okay. Okay. So what we got, like a half a dozen, maybe 7 or 8 of them?
I mean, know how many. We got some. We got some.
Got some.
Better than
Oh
some.
yeah, that's about a dozen. That's a lot easier than the freaking sabiki, man.
Oh, one fella.
Well, that's a perfect.
Nice. Okay. All right, guys. After a good dozen Ballyhoo on the first go, Ricky's going back for round 2 with the Ballyhoop. No current. All right, now it's shake the chum bag.
You heard some?
Yep. Watch. So all the little stuff there floats.
You want to wait for them to get
Yeah, you got to get them excited, right?
Yep. I can get some right now, but I'm gonna try to get as much as I can.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, check out Ricky's channel, especially Si Tu Habla Español.
Let's get some.
Get some.
One.
Oh,
No,
no,
maybe, but let's
Oh, you got them. Ah,
I like to see flashy.
flashing bait fish is a beautiful thing to see. Let me get this open.
The good thing about this, you don't have to touch the bait.
Yes, I agree.
That way, that ballyhoo will be perfectly alive.
We don't get our man fingers on them.
No
I love
hooks.
I love it. Beautiful. Ricky, what does something like that run? Buy a Ballyhoop.
This one is $329.
$329
There's
bucks.
another one that's 3.5.
Yeah,
That's the same thing. It's $229.
$229.
I
Okay.
sell them.
You do?
Yeah.
So if you want one of these guys, go visit right there. Hold on.
It's actually that's my YouTube channel.
That's the
It's on-
YouTube channel.
It's on FL Fishing Services.
FL Fishing Services, linked in our description. Ricky sells them $229 Ballyhoop. You see how easy it is, guys. Just a little bit of chum. You're on the reef. We're in about, what, 65 feet of water?
Yep.
A little bit of chum.
And you can get not only ballyhoo, you get speedos, cigar
Minnows. I see the guys get cigar minnows with them. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a lot there. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Woo! Let me get this open. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. Look at that, bro. There's at least 2 dozen Ballyhoo in there. That is what we're talking about. Oh, my gosh. Look at these guys. Did you? Look at all the poop that when they're putting them in the live well, guys, they're sitting there back there eating the chum, and now they poop like crazy as they're in the net. Oh, they're jumping out. Here, let me close this thing. Look at that. Okay, that's a lot of bait. I heard another one back here somewhere. Oh, look at them! Look at them! Look at them! Look at them! Ballyhoo! Here, hold that thing up real quick. Let's see. Hold on a second. Lorenzo. Yeah. Lorenzo, look at all them Ballyhoo, bro.
They look too good.
Dude.
Dice que hay tanto voleibol que va a tratar de saltar y coger.
I'm going to do it.
Bro. Yeah, you're... Lorenzo. Oh.
Too fast.
They're too fast, he says. Oh, well. Where are they at? Hey, don't get a chum on your back. Ew. He couldn't catch one. Come on, son. The cleat. Get the cleat. Get the cleat. Cleat. Get the cleat. All right, look at this, guys. There's a little baby turtle, a freshwater turtle, out here in the middle of the ocean. He's dead. He got sucked out with all the rainwater, probably from the hurricane, but oh well. Look at all Ballyhoo, guys. Ballyhoo, Ballyhoo. Look at them all.